NCEA Chinese Level 2, Characters and Compounds, Unit 7, brought to you by NZ Chinese Classroom. 大家好，我是安利老师. Just a few reminders before we start. Make sure that you work at your own pace. Stop the video to repeat after me, but also to write some notes. Repeat after me to practice your tones and pronunciation, and take note of the example sentences so you can see the characters in context. And make a note or draw a picture to help you remember some of those difficult characters. And write down any questions you have so you can discuss them in class with your teacher. 我们开始吧. 告. So at the bottom we have the mouth reticle, and at the top you can imagine that this is your little hand and you're whispering something into someone's ear. So 告诉 means to tell someone something. And you can see in the 诉 we have the speech reticle on the left hand side. 你明天的打算是什么？请告诉我. What is your plan for tomorrow? Please tell me. 他告诉我他不想去海边. He told me that he didn't want to go to the beach. It's a bit sad. 下一个. 广告. 广 is a factory. 告 to tell. So this is something to do with advertising. So an advertisement. 我看看饭店的广告. I had a wee look at the restaurant ad. 给. So on the left-hand side we have the silk reticle, and 给 means to give. So maybe you can think of silk as something beautiful and expensive that you could give as an amazing gift to someone. Alright, here's a couple of examples with two different ways you can use 给. 第一个, 请给我你的电话号码. Please give me your phone number. 妈妈给我买了花. So here there's two verbs. We have 给 to give and 买 to buy. So this 给 kind of means for. So mum, for me, bought some flowers. So you can have other verbs instead of 买 in here, but it's doing something for someone. 下一个. 跟. On the left-hand side, we have a foot reticle. And when you're walking and there's two people, you're walking with someone. So 跟 means with. For example, 我跟爸爸一起去看电影. So I think you would usually know that there's a 和 in between 我 and 爸爸. 我和爸爸一起去看电影. That is correct, and also this is correct, but this one more specifically means with. 你常常跟谁一起去海边? Who do you often go to the beach with? 下一个. 更. So this means even more than. So often used in comparisons. So 最 means the most, and 更 means even more than. For example, 我想找一个更便宜的饭馆. So this 更 goes right before the adjective. I would like to find a cheaper restaurant, so more cheap restaurant. But in English we would say cheaper. So comparative. 在网上买东西比商场更方便. So I'm probably making it a little bit complicated here using this 便宜 and 方便, which is a little bit like the 更, apart from with the 人 character on the left-hand side. So what does the sentence mean? Buying things online compared to in the shopping mall is more convenient. 更方便, more convenient. 好的，下一个. 工 means to work. 工程师 is an engineer. A type of 师 like 老师 is a teacher or a master. 工程师. 我想当工程师. 很好. 工作 means to work or work. 你爸爸做什么工作? What does your father do for a job? 下一个. 共. You can see the sound part, this gong on the left-hand side, and then we have strength, so working with strength. Okay, it's some sort of skill, so 功课is homework. So 课 class, 功课 to do some classwork. Okay, 老师给我们很多功课. The teacher gave us a lot of homework. So what's another word for homework? That's right, 作业. So 功课作业 same type of thing. 下一个功夫，你喜欢功夫吗？ Or 你会功夫吗？ Can you do kung fu? So 会, to be able to know how to do something, and 功夫 by itself is kind of the verb of doing kung fu as well. So can you do kung fu? 你会功夫吗？我会一点儿。好的，公 public. So a few of these you might know already, so it's really easy learning. 公共汽车 a bus, so a public car, a bus. 我坐了30分钟的公共汽车. I took the bus for how long? 30 minutes. 很好。公园 park, public park. 公园不但很大，而且漂亮. So the park is not only big, it is also beautiful. 不但而且 not only but also. 好的，公斤 is a unit of measurement for weight. 公斤 is a kg. 我想买2公斤苹果. So 斤 is 500 grams, 公斤 1,000 grams, so 1 kg. I would like to buy 2 kgs of apples. 公里, this is another unit of measurement for distance, is a kilometer. 公里 kilometer. 从学校到商场只要走1公里. From the school to the shopping mall, you need to walk 1 kilometer. You only need to walk 1 kilometer. That 只要 only need to. 好，下一个共 So this one's the people are holding hands, they're doing something together. The character looks a little bit like that. 一共 means all together. 我家一共有4个电脑和2个电视. My family altogether has 4 computers and 2 TVs. Okay. 共同 This one you might not see because it's quite a formal word, and so it's quite difficult to come up with a situation. So this one, imagine that your teacher has put you into some groups and you have to do some activity together, and some people have different jobs to do, but you've got to do this activity together. So maybe you go to the teacher and you don't really want to be in that group and say, oh, 老师, I don't want to be in this group. And then your teacher may just say back to you, 这是一个共同的活动. This is a shared or collaborative activity. So you must do it. You should do it together. You can't do it by yourself. Okay, that kind of makes sense. So don't worry too much if you can't fully understand the meaning of this one. Okay, 下一个狗 dog. Probably learnt this one a while ago. 你的狗又小又可爱. So your dog is both small and cute. 小狗 little dog, puppy. 我妹妹很想买一只小狗. My little sister would really like to buy a puppy. 刮 means to blow. Okay, so this is the verb used when you say it's windy, to be windy. 现在开始刮风了. So 风 wind, 刮风 to blow wind or to be windy. So right now it has started to be windy. The wind has started to blow. Okay, 第二个，今天北京刮大风. Today, Beijing is really windy. So 大风, a big wind, very windy. 好的. To follow up, write down any questions that you have, or write down some sample sentences that your teacher can check. Get on to Quizlet to practice the vocab. and complete the reading activity for this week, the grammar activities, and finally the unit test at the end of the week. Until next time, 再见!